Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today we're going to be doing the review of the Honor Magic VS. Now this video was recommended by one of our viewers in the live, and we decided to take down notes of what all videos we need to make, and this is in one of those lists. So we're talking about the Honor Magic VS. The Honor Magic VS was launched on the 23rd of November. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate with a 7.90-inch touchscreen primary display, offering a resolution of 1984 into 2272 pixels. It also offers a 6.45-inch touchscreen, as it is a second display with a resolution of 1080 into 2560 pixels. The Honor Magic VS is powered by a 3 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor that features one core clocked at a 3 GHz, 3 cores clocked at a 2.5 GHz, and 4 cores clocked at a 1.8 GHz. It comes with an 8GB upgraded version of 12GB of RAM, and also it runs on Android 12, and it's powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Honor Magic VS is also supported by proprietary fast charging. Now let's get to know about its cameras and its Android and colors and all stuff.
As far as the cameras are concerned, the Honor Magic VS on the red box triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel camera. It sports 60 megapixel camera on the front for selfies with a f/2.4 aperture. The front camera also features autofocus. This phone runs the Magic OS 7.0 based on the Android 12 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. It is a dual SIM mobile, and also it measures 160 into 0.3 into 141.5 into 6.1 millimeters and weighs 261 grams. It was launched in black, cyan, and orange colors. Connectivity options on this phone include the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C sensor on the phone, includes Wi-Fi fingerprint sensor. That's all with this video.
So if you guys like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And that's all for today's video. My name is Jonas.
My name is John. This is Tech Insider.
Signing off. Bye.